Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see potato kurma recipe. The ingredients needed are turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, chopped potatoes, onions finely chopped, curry leaves and coriander leaves, along with chopped tomatoes, green chilies too, and coconut. In a pan, add little oil and heat it. For tadka, add 1 piece of cinnamon, 3 cloves, and if you have bay leaves you can add it, or anise seed. Just saute it. Once it starts fluttering, add the green chilies. Just 2 green chilies are enough. Slit green chilies. And curry leaves. Just saute it, and now add the finely chopped onions. Saute it for a while. Always I used to say you need to add a pinch of salt whenever you add onion for it to cook faster. So I just sprinkle some salt for the onions to cook faster and become translucent easily. And for potatoes, chopped potatoes, the tip for it to keep it fresh and starch free is always put the chopped potatoes in water. Now saute it along with the onions and the green chilies. You can keep the flame at high so the onion gets cooked faster. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. 1:1 proportion I have made the ginger garlic paste. 1 portion of ginger to 1 portion of garlic. Because for kurma you need a nice flavor. And to make the next step is to make the kurma thick. I am just blending half onion and half of tomato in the mixie and adding along with the chopped tomatoes. So this is 2.5 tomatoes, and that half of it I have taken for making it a thick paste. So put the tomatoes and saute it. In the meantime, in the mixie, I have mixed the tomatoes and onion, that half pieces, and added it to the pan. Now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes so that the onion and tomato is cooked fully. Like it should not be seen as pieces. The tomato should not be left as pieces. So mash it off without disturbing the potatoes. Add salt for the vegetables, that is potatoes and the tomatoes. And now I am adding the turmeric powder at this stage so that the potato colors will change rich yellow. See, only the potatoes colors are seen properly. Saute them. Now I am putting it in medium flame and cooking. If you put it at a high flame, the powders will become burnt. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. If you want, you can add Kashmiri chilli powder for color of the kurma to be red. And coriander powder 2 teaspoons. If you want the kurma to be more thicker, you can increase the quantity of coriander powder. I have not added extra water at all. I am just sauteing it with the water that has come from the paste which we have blended. I just kept the coconut pieces in hot water. That water I am adding here. This is a tip, another tip. For coconut to give nice creamy feel, just pour hot water and then mix it in the mixie. Then grind it after it cools. And even coriander, don't waste the stem part and all. You don't waste them. That is having lot of healthy benefits. So you chop it and put it in the kurma. It gives nice flavor as well. Now again cook it for 2 to 3 minutes at low flame. This is low flame cooking, slow cooking. The aroma will be same and fresh, and the vegetables color wouldn't change at all. Now I added the coconut milk which I add. But just take few pieces of coconut, not much, because for consistency we have already added tomato, onion blended paste and coriander powder. At this stage, if you feel the consistency to be more, you can add the coriander powder as well. Now I am transferring the kurma into a cooker and allowing it to cook for just 2 whistles. Immediately you have to put off the cooker and transfer it to a bowl. See the consistency. Accordingly, you can add coriander powder at this stage also. If you add more of coconut milk and coconut, it will be very thick and the taste will be very sweet. Instead, you add coriander powder at this stage to match the consistency. As it was thick, I added a little water and closed it and cooking it for 2 whistles. Now it's ready. It's cooked well. At this stage, I am garnishing it with coriander leaves. The leaves which I kept aside during cutting of the chopped stems of coriander. These coriander leaves I am putting it and just mixing it gently. See, the potatoes are not overcooked. Potato kurma is ready.